Well, I set out for myself a little challenge, and that was to take a trip by train, but how to do it? I finally settled on beginning in Louisville, of course, where I'm located, and then flying to Chicago. There's not a really good Amtrak hub in Louisville at all, or a stop for that matter. In Chicago, I would transfer from the airport, Chicago O'Hare Airport, to the Amtrak station and take a trip down to New Orleans on the city of New Orleans, and then return by way of Atlanta Airport and then back to Louisville. Here's a list of things that I brought with me that were pretty much on target. I could pack them in a mid-size backpack, and that was great for the trip, the part of the trip on the airplanes. Trains are a little bit more flexible with what they allow you. I wish I had brought some flip-flops and a pair of shorts and had swapped out the shoes I was wearing for a more comfortable pair of shoes. Other than that, I was pretty much on target with what I packed. Here's a picture of my itinerary that I gave to my family. And here I am heading off to the airport at 8 a.m. I come out of the Bat Cave and head on my way. And it's with some anticipation and excitement that I'm doing that. This trip was just kind of a chance to get away and do something different. Again, on the way to the airport, I finally figured out later on, not too much later on, that I could get a better picture by turning my phone 90 degrees, so you won't be annoyed by these narrow photos for long. And got the ticket for parking at Louisville Airport. Long-range parking is with everybody else in the garage, so I had a nice choice of parking spot really close to the terminal, and over long-term parking was not very expensive. I think it cost me $50 and some change to park for the 2 evenings for about the 65 hours that I was there. My car was there. There's a shot of the little plane I was riding, and here we are lifting off.